Previously on Bobby Sneaker World.
After I just seen images of the Valentine's Day releases coming out in 2020, the women's version, I might not wear, if I hit, I might not wear these until I see that women's version of the regular leather, black side panels and red toe box with the UNC on the back is 100 times better than this release is coming out tomorrow. 100 times. So, I don't want both, I don't think. So if I hit on these, I'm going to pick them up. But if I hit in February for the women's release, because I wear 10.5, your boys, I'm selling these. If I hit. Fingers crossed. I'm just saying, just putting that out there. I don't know how y'all feel about that women's release, but those are fire to me. Those are crazy. Those are better than top threes.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Don't at me. I'm just saying. Let's get it. Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video, man. I'm in a great mood today. I hope and I pray that all you guys are having a great day so far today. It's early over here. I'm starting this video, but I wanted to get straight into it, man, because I put off a couple days on one package. I got two things to open for you. And I got a box over here that I got yesterday that I didn't open as well. So I want to crack into both of those. I'll probably put it in the title or in the thumbnail, obviously, to give you guys a little bit of insight into what you're about to watch. But I appreciate you guys watching nonetheless. If that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement. If you've been here for a while, tell a friend to come join the team as well. We're on the road to 3,000. And that's the only little mini goal that I'm going to try to set for this year, because I'm going to do a giveaway at that point. I don't know exactly what I'm going to give away, but there will be a nice little giveaway at the 3,000 subscriber point. We'll hit that at some point during this year. Doesn't really matter to me when. I just appreciate you guys for watching. Now that we done got all that out of the way, I got to give a special shout out, man. I always give shout outs when they are due, whether it's from a content idea, which a lot of YouTubers don't seem to do, or if I get assistance, man. I got a oop from the homie Jeezy, man. He has his own YouTube channel. I suggest that you go subscribe to his channel as well. If you rock with my content, you'll love his content. So I'll put the link to his channel in the description box. But he is the one that gave me the oop. Still got Nike tape on the box. Gave me the oop on these sneakers, man. And I'm more than appreciative of him. And I also have a bag to open, and I'll probably throw that on during the video as well. So, like I said, sit back, relax. We're about to crack into these packages. I'm probably going to open the bag first to get that out of the way, and then we'll talk a little bit about the sneakers. Oh, there we go. So, we straight into it. This package comes courtesy of Staple Pigeon, something that I've wanted for a long time. If you guys have watched some of my previous Staple Pigeons videos, I rock with the brand heavy, man. It's simple, but they got a lot of fire pieces, and it's not too crazy. And the quality is crazy on their clothing. The prices aren't crazy as far as, I mean, if you buy urban streetwear or anything like that, you know, you're gonna get some prices gonna be up there, but I usually catch their stuff on sale. Now I have the OG Staple Pigeon black hoodie with the white lettering and the pigeon right there in the middle of the branding. Now everything that they make on this is embroidered. This pigeon is embroidered. Let me get these strings out of the way. Hopefully it shows up. It's embroidered into the hoodie. It's not screen press, like heat pressed on there or screen printed, anything like that. You got these thick white rope laces on the front with these very, very strong plastic sturdy aglets on the end. Very, very dope. The back is just all black. And this was $68. $68, not bad at all for a heavy, very, very well put together. You got pockets on the front. It's not just a flat front. It does have pockets on the front as well. But when you get something that's embroidered in and it's heavy, thick quality like this, I don't even know if they have... Nah, they got their own logo, so you don't know what brand of hoodie this is, but it is very, very dope, man. You got staple down here on the left side of the hoodie at the bottom. Very, very dope, man. I just had to unbox this. I got this a couple days ago, but I just waited to unbox it. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this, man. I recommend. They had every color. Like, I would have got the peach one, but I seen this first, and I knew they were going to go, well, I assumed that they would go fast, so I didn't hesitate. I just pulled the trigger on the black one. You can never go wrong with a black and white hoodie. And look at the details in that pigeon. All the way down to the pink on his feet. All stitched in. Crazy. All right, I just wanted to unbox this real quick. 68 bucks, not bad. You know what I'm saying? So let's get into this box. All right, y'all, I'm going to try my best not to drag this out too long. Get straight to it. Now, I'm not gonna spend that much more time talking about this flex program that Foot Locker instituted and how much I and most people despise it. But the FLX flex situation, man. All right. Got a House of Hoops bag. Everything's still intact. Everything's shipped together, which I appreciate. Real sneakerheads understand and appreciate that it comes with the receipt. You got your inverted Jordan 1 box. Everywhere is red, it usually is black. Everywhere is black, it usually is red. We got the size 12. Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG. These are the UNC to Chicago colorway. Now, the reason why I said the flex situation is because your boy struck out, man. Not only is it a problem that I'm striking out on every single thing, that's not my biggest issue. That's part of the game. But the fact that you lose all your points, the fact that my original account was deleted and I had over $7,000 spent into my one account, gone in the wind. But it's just been a bad situation. I don't rock with the Flex app, or not even app, the Flex program or whatever it is. It's just not conducive to the consumer, man. It's a money grab for them, and I'm gonna be done talking about it. Anyway, this sneaker was a must for me. I know a lot of people are just like, oh, it's just another Jordan 1, which it is. But for me, I'll probably insert, if I haven't already, I'll insert a clip of what I had to say about these sneakers prior to them when I first saw the original images. I'm going to stick to my guns. I still believe that these I did the review and everything on the Fearless patent leather joints. These are better. It's not even close. To me, these are better. That all over shiny patent leather, it's just not practical to me to wear enough to get enough wear out of them. The traditional leather with the all black side panels, this isn't a real UNC blue to me, but the color blocking itself is dope. Now, this is a sneaker I can wear more often, more practically, to me. Now, I jumped out the window a little bit and said that these were going to be better than top threes. I gotta walk that back. I was drunk. I must have been drunk, and I was talking out of the side of my neck. I don't know what I was talking about. These are not better than top 3 Jordan 1s, which I still would love to have. But these are better than the Fearless joints, which I said if I was getting these, them hoes was out of here and them hoes is out of here. I got rid of them. But I'm happy to have these for the personal. Not gonna go into some huge review on these, but we'll go over it a little bit. You got your all red, look like bread toe front, because you got your all red toe box, like matte black leather around the toe box and the mud guard. You got your white midsole and your red, all red outsole. You got your blue. It's soft leather. It's not like super tumbled on mine, but it's very, very soft. Leather on the back and the swoosh on the medial and lateral side are identical. You got your black wings logo there. Now, the only thing different about this side is you have the red leather hang tag, which is a dope touch in my opinion. They don't come with any spare laces, which is a travesty to me just because they're upping the price on Jordan 1s this year, and they should come with even more stuff as far as accessories or anything that comes with it. They should add. Got your all red insole here, all blue insole there, all black nylon tongue with the red Nike branding on the top. It is nylon, not leather. Now, I just wanted to run through that real quick just because I know you guys have seen these. You guys have seen. Abel likes them. Have seen these a ton of times. But these are fire. These were a must. And it frustrated the hell out of me that I wasn't able to cop here in my city. But shout out again to Jeezy, man, for sending me these all the way from New Orleans. I had a few people reach out to me, man. That's what's about making connections in this community. You put out love, you get love back. And shout out to you, man, for being able to bless your boy with this pair. I'm going to get out of here. Love y'all. OV.